Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring you have administrator rights and saved files. That prevents data loss. Once ready, open Settings, go to Update and Security and choose Recovery. Click Restart Now under Advanced Startup to reboot into the recovery environment. This gives you the tools to change boot options. If settings won't open, make sure to hold Shift while selecting Restart from the Start menu. This forces the same recovery entry. After the reboot, you'll see a Choose an Option screen. Proceed there to troubleshoot further. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot to access repair tools. This isolates startup settings safely. Then pick Advanced Options followed by Startup Settings. This lets Windows present a list of boot modes. Click Restart to load that list. Do not interrupt this reboot. Once the system restarts, you'll see numbered options. Press 4 or F4 for safe mode, 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking, and 6 or F6 for safe mode with command prompt. Make your selection to boot into the chosen. After you enter safe mode, sign in with an administrator account so you can uninstall drivers, run scans, or roll back updates. Safe mode loads minimal drivers to make fixes safer. You can open Device Manager to disable hardware, run an antivirus scan, or use System Restore to revert recent changes. Once done, restart normally to confirm the issue is resolved. If safe mode won't start or you can't finish repairs, boot from Windows Installation Media and choose Repair to access recovery tools and rebuild the boot configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.